All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:15 on the morning of February 22nd, 2023, and this is my pre-market strategy session. And so the title of today's video is Fed Minutes at 2 p.m. today. So let's go over here to this Market Watch calendar. That's pretty convenient. And so I got mixed up yesterday, and I thought that yesterday was Monday, and it was Tuesday, and so the PMI numbers came out yesterday, and they came out a little bit better than expected. The market had a negative reaction to that, which is it's kind of common, really. When economic indicators are good, that means the Fed is less likely to ease and more likely to raise rates. Now, with that said, the services PMI came out at 50.5, which is in growth territory, and the manufacturing PMI came in at 47.8, which is in contraction territory. But they both came out better than expected. Existing housing sales, it was a miss at 0.03 million. What is that? 30,000, I think. Big deal. Whoop-de-doo. So today we have FOMC meeting minutes, and then at 5:30, this is after the market. John Williams, the New York Fed, will speak, and after the chair, after Powell, the sort of ranking goes, the New York Fed is considered sort of like the vice Fed chair. So a lot of weight is going to be put on what John Williams says. Now, I don't know historically where he is on whether he's hawkish or dovish or on raising rates or not. I don't know. And I don't care. It's basically this. I don't want to say it's kabuki theater. The minutes will move the markets, as well as what John Williams has to say will move the post-market and pre-market tomorrow. It will happen, but it's short term. It's nothing that will change the overall trend. Now, the overall trend is bearish. Let's go take a look here. I am short-term bullish. I am seeing an opportunity here for the bulls to go on parade here pretty soon. Looks like this territory down here between 300 and 280 roughly is a spot where some bulls could step in and buy. You can see back here, this is sort of a this price area back here has been both support and resistance, and so now we're above it, so it's support, and that's bullish. On its face, that's bullish. And there's such a negative sentiment on the market right now that it just makes sense, to be contrarian to that. And then we have Friday is going to be a pretty big pre-market day here. And really, I'm going to be sitting on my hands until Friday. I was in a straddle yesterday. At the end of the day, I exited that straddle profitably. It was nice. I straddled around 303. And I was looking for either a big up or a big down move, which was in the cards. And whenever you have the VIX, hanging around 20, you're going to get a move either way, whether it's up or down. There's going to be a pretty decent movement. My strikes were in April for the April expiration, and so it was nice. It was nice to make some money there. And I will be sitting on my hands until Friday, with Friday's move coming or Friday's news coming out. Consumer spending, personal income, PCE, core PCE, and then year over year, of course. And those numbers to me right now are looking bullish. 4.4% year over year. It's pretty good. That is a decrease, and will definitely be, in my opinion, bullish. So I'm sitting on my hands until Friday, and once Friday makes its decision on which way it's going to go, my personal opinion is bullish. Then I will look at putting on another trade. But so until then, I'm not trading the minutes. I don't care to trade the minutes. I'm probably not going to trade pre-market with initial jobless claims. If jobless claims come in greater than expected, over 197,000, say it's in the 250 range, believe it or not, that'll actually be good for the market. Meaning the Fed has been signaling, hey, we need jobless claims up, we need unemployment to come down, so on and so on. And so if jobless claims come in larger than expected, then that will be a signal to the market that what the Fed is doing is working, and the Fed will be less hawkish and more dovish, which means you can be more bullish. Less hawkish equals more bullish right now. Ugly as it is, that's the way that it goes. So yeah, that's pretty much my pre-market strategy session for the day. I'm not in a position. I have a portfolio. Otherwise, I'm not in a short-term trade. So yeah, I'm gonna let the portfolio do the work while what I believe is about to play out is nice little bull run here, and then after Friday, we'll see how Friday shakes out, and I'll see what I do. All right, everybody, good luck out there. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you at tomorrow morning's strategy session. I am out.